In 2026, the most dangerous mistake gun owners make isn't choosing the wrong caliber. It's trusting the wrong pistol. Some of these guns are worshipped online but fail in real life, while others quietly outperform pistols twice their price. One pick on this list shocks even experienced shooters, and another might prove your current favorite is completely overrated. Watch closely, because this ranking challenges everything you think you know. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 8. Shadow Systems MR920. Shadow Systems MR920 earns its place among the best pistols in the world right now, 2026 edition, because it delivers what modern shooters actually want: performance upgrades out of the box, without needing aftermarket work. Built on a Glock 19-style footprint, the MR920 takes a proven platform and refines it in ways that matter in real use. The grip angle is more natural, the frame texture is aggressive without being uncomfortable, and the interchangeable back straps let shooters fine-tune how the gun sits in the hand, which directly improves control during fast strings of fire. One of the biggest reasons experts still talk about the MR920 in 2026 is its optics-ready system. Instead of forcing you into a single footprint, Shadow Systems designed a mounting solution that works with multiple popular red dots without plates, keeping the optic lower and more secure. The slide cuts also reduce weight, helping the gun track flatter during recoil. On the range, the MR920 feels fast, predictable, and extremely controllable, even during rapid follow-ups. Reliability is another reason it makes this list. The MR920 has proven itself with duty-grade performance, digesting a wide range of ammo without drama. The trigger isn't competition light, but it's clean, consistent, and perfectly suited for defensive or duty use. In 2026, the MR920 stands as a near-perfect blend of Glock reliability and premium custom features, without the custom gun headaches. Number 7. Stoeger STR9 Compact. The Stoeger STR9 Compact might surprise a lot of people, but that's exactly why it earns a spot on these 8 best pistols in the world. Right now, 2026 edition. Stoeger doesn't rely on hype or flashy marketing. This pistol wins on pure value, reliability, and real-world performance. In 2026, when handgun prices keep climbing, the STR9 Compact stands out as a reminder that a serious defensive pistol doesn't have to drain your wallet. The first thing you notice is how solid it feels. The grip texture is practical, not slippery, and the grip angle feels familiar to anyone who's handled modern striker-fired pistols. It points naturally, which matters more than people realize when drawing under pressure. On the range, the STR9 Compact delivers surprisingly soft recoil for its size, thanks to its balanced slide mass and low-bore axis. Follow-up shots feel controlled, not snappy. Reliability is where this pistol really earns respect. The STR9 Compact has built a reputation for running clean through thousands of rounds, even with cheaper practice ammo. That's a big deal for everyday shooters. The trigger isn't match grade, but it's consistent, predictable, and easy to learn. Exactly what you want in a defensive handgun. In 2026, the Stoeger STR9 Compact proves that best in the world isn't just about price or prestige. It's about trust, function, and delivering performance when it matters most. Number 6. Walther PPS M2. The Walther PPS M2 earns its place on these 8 best pistols in the world right now, 2026 edition, by doing something many pistols still struggle with: being truly slim, shootable, and dependable at the same time. In a world full of chunky, compact handguns, the PPS M2 stays loyal to its single-stack roots, making it one of the easiest pistols to live with every single day. What immediately sets the PPS M2 apart is its ergonomics. Walther has always been known for excellent grip design, and this pistol is no exception. Despite its thin profile, it fills the hand naturally and gives you real control, not that cramped feeling many slim pistols suffer from. The grip texture is aggressive enough for confident handling without being uncomfortable during long carry hours. On the range, the PPS M2 feels calmer than you'd expect from such a slim gun. Recoil is straight back, the slide cycles smoothly, and accuracy is impressive for a concealment-focused pistol. Walther's trigger is another highlight: clean, consistent, and far better than most pistols in this size class. It builds confidence, especially for shooters who value precision over raw capacity. Reliability is where the PPS M2 truly shines. It has a long track record of flawless performance, even after heavy use. In 2026, the Walther PPS M2 proves that simplicity, quality engineering, and smart design still deserve a place among the best pistols in the world. Number 5. Arex Delta Gen 2 M. The Arex Delta Gen 2 M absolutely deserves its spot on these 8 best pistols in the world right now, 2026 edition, because it punches way above its weight in every category that actually matters. This pistol doesn't rely on hype or legacy. It earns respect through performance, durability, and smart design choices that shooters immediately notice once they handle it. First, the build quality is outstanding. The Arex Delta Gen 2M feels solid, balanced, and purpose-built, not like a budget pistol trying to imitate something better. The grip texture is aggressive without being harsh, giving excellent control even under recoil or sweaty conditions. Its ergonomics are well thought out, allowing a high grip that keeps the gun flat and controllable during rapid fire. On the range, the Delta Gen 2M surprises a lot of shooters. Recoil management is excellent for a pistol of this size, and the slide cycles smoothly with consistent ejection. Accuracy is where it really shines. Tight groups are easy to achieve thanks to its good sights, solid barrel lockup, and predictable trigger. The trigger itself is clean with a noticeable reset, making follow-up shots fast and confident. Reliability is a major reason this pistol keeps gaining popularity worldwide. It's built to handle high round counts without drama. In 2026, the Arex Delta Gen 2M proves that you don't need an expensive brand name to own one of the best pistols in the world. You just need smart engineering done right. Number 4. Staccato C2. The Staccato C2 earns its place among these 8 best pistols in the world right now, 2026 edition, because it represents the modern peak of performance-driven handgun design. This is not a hype gun. It's a serious, duty-proven pistol built on the legendary 2011 platform and refined for real-world use. From the moment you pick it up, the quality is obvious. The fit and finish are exceptional, with the perfectly balanced frame that feels solid, yet surprisingly manageable for concealed carry and duty roles alike. On the range, the C2 is where opinions instantly change. The recoil impulse is incredibly smooth, thanks to its all-metal frame and excellent slide geometry, allowing faster follow-up shots than most striker-fired pistols. Accuracy is outstanding. This gun feels almost unfair when shooting at distance, delivering tight, repeatable groups with ease. The trigger is one of the biggest reasons shooters fall in love with the C2. Crisp, clean, and predictable, giving you confidence with every press. Reliability is another defining trait. The Staccato C2 has been adopted by law enforcement and trusted by professionals who depend on their sidearm daily. It runs hard, stays flat, and performs under pressure. In 2026, the Staccato C2 isn't just a premium pistol, it's a benchmark, proving what's possible when precision engineering meets real-world performance. Number 3. Smith & Wesson M&P 9 Shield Plus. The Smith & Wesson M&P 9 Shield Plus absolutely deserves its spot among these 8 best pistols in the world right now, 2026 edition, because it perfected the idea of a slim, everyday carry handgun without sacrificing shootability. This pistol is proof that small doesn't have to mean uncomfortable or hard to control. The first thing longtime Shield users notice is the upgraded trigger. It's cleaner, flatter, and far more predictable than earlier generations, making accurate shots easier under stress. Capacity is another game-changer. With its double-stack micro-compact design, the Shield Plus delivers impressive round count in a very thin frame, which is exactly what concealed carriers want in 2026. On the range, recoil is well managed for its size, thanks to the aggressive grip texture and excellent ergonomics that lock the pistol into your hand. Reliability is where this gun really shines. The Shield Plus has built a reputation for running flawlessly with a wide variety of ammo, making it a trusted option for home defense and daily carry alike. Accuracy is more than respectable, especially inside defensive distances, where this gun feels fast, instinctive, and natural. For people who actually carry every day, not just talk about it, the Shield Plus hits the sweet spot between comfort, confidence, and performance. It's not flashy, but it's brutally effective, and that's exactly why it belongs on this list. Number 2. SIG Sauer P365 XMacro. The SIG Sauer P P365. XMacro stands out in these 8 best pistols in the world. Right now, 2026. Edition, because it completely changed what shooters expect from a compact carry pistol. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a full evolution of the micro-compact category. The XMacro delivers near-duty gun capacity in a slim, highly concealable frame, which still feels almost unreal when you first hold it. On the range, the longer grip and integrated compensator make a noticeable difference. Recoil is flatter, muzzle rise is reduced, and follow-up shots are faster compared to earlier P365 models. The ergonomics are excellent, fitting a wide range of hand sizes while maintaining strong control under rapid fire. Accuracy is impressive for a pistol this thin, especially at defensive distances where consistency matters most. Reliability has been a strong point for the XMacro, and Siggy clearly designed this model for shooters who demand performance without compromise. The flat-face trigger provides a clean break, and the modular design allows easy customization for optics, lights, and grip modules. In 2026, the P365 XMacro represents the perfect middle ground between concealed carry comfort and full-size capability. It's a pistol built for people who want one gun that can truly do everything, and do it exceptionally well. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 5. The Glock 19 Gen 5 remains one of these 8 best pistols in the world right now, 2026 edition, because it continues to prove that consistency beats trends. Decades after its introduction, the Glock 19 still sets the standard for a do-everything handgun that works for almost everyone. The Gen 5 updates refined what already worked: improved barrel accuracy, a smoother trigger feel, ambidextrous controls, and the removal of finger grooves for a more universal grip. On the range, the Glock 19 Gen 5 delivers predictable recoil, solid accuracy, and unmatched reliability across every type of ammunition. This is a pistol people trust with their lives, not because it's exciting, but because it simply refuses to fail. Its size hits the perfect balance: large enough for duty and home defense, yet compact enough for concealed carry with the right setup. Another major strength is aftermarket support. No handgun in the world has more holsters, sights, magazines, or upgrade options available. That flexibility makes the Glock 19 endlessly adaptable to personal preference. In 2026, while many pistols chase innovation, the Glock 19 Gen 5 stands firm as a proven, battle-tested platform. It may not surprise you, but it will never let you down, and that's exactly why it belongs on this list. Outro. If this list made you rethink what the best pistol really means in 2026, then it did its job. At the end of the day, the right handgun isn't about hype or price. It's about reliability, confidence, and how it performs when it actually matters. Let me know in the comments which one you trust and why. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for honest gun content, and stay ready.